If you are hearing this right now, this is not an accident. Something inside you is already calling for protection, for strength, for clarity. You don't need special abilities. You don't need perfect faith. You don't need to know the right words. You only need to be here, because I am listening. Take a slow breath in and release it gently. Let your body relax. Let your mind quiet down. You are safe in this moment. I am Archangel Michael. I stand for protection, for courage, for truth. I do not judge you. I do not test you. I do not turn away. I come when you call. Many believe angels are distant, far away, silent. But I have always been near you, watching, waiting, ready. The only thing I require is your free will. I will never force my presence into your life. But when you ask, even in a whisper, I answer. Feel a calm blue light forming around you, not intense, not overwhelming, strong, steady, protective. This light is my presence. I know what you have been carrying. The fear you hide from others, the doubts that visit you at night, the weight that feels heavier than it should. You were never meant to carry it alone. I hold a sword of blue light. This sword does not harm. It removes what does not belong to you. Fear begins to loosen. Negative energy starts to dissolve. Old heaviness lifts away. You do not need to fight it. It leaves because it no longer has permission to stay. Now, call me, Archangel Michael. I call upon you. Say it slowly or silently. Archangel Michael, I call upon you. I am here. Ask for what you need: protection, guidance, strength, peace. I hear you. Nothing meant to harm you can cross this space. Nothing meant to weaken you can remain. You are surrounded, above you, below you, in front of you, behind you. You are protected. I place my hand upon you. Strength flows where fear once lived. Calm replaces tension. Clarity replaces confusion. You are not weak for asking. You are brave. When fear returns, call my name. When doubt rises, call my name. When you feel attacked, lost, or uncertain, call my name. I do not tire. I do not abandon. I do not forget. I walk with you. Even when you cannot feel me, trust yourself. Trust the quiet strength growing within you. You are supported more than you realize. This protection does not fade. It stays with you. Take a slow breath in and release it gently. Feel yourself grounded, present, steady. You may open your eyes when you are ready. If this message reached you, if you felt calm, protected, or understood, like this video, subscribe for more direct guidance and protection meditations. And in the comments, write, Archangel Michael, I call upon you. Your call is always heard.